Welcome everyone. In this short video, I am excited to demonstrate Anjuna's support for confidential computing on Google Cloud, powered by AMD Secure Encrypted Virtualization. So let's dive on in. We are excited to extend our support for Anjuna Confidential Containers to the Google Cloud. Our approach is to ensure customers have the best of both worlds, facilitating confidential containers that offer the isolation benefits of application enclaves, but with the simplicity of Google Cloud Confidential VM chassis. Anjuna takes you from zero to a fully protected container running in Google Cloud's AMD Confidential Computing in two simple steps that take no time and effort. First, we package the application in a hardened Anjuna Confidential container designed to run inside Google Cloud Confidential VMs, taking precise measurements from the TPM, Trusted Platform module, since we've run one container per VM. Second, launching an Anjuna Confidential container is as simple as executing a single run command. Before distributing the necessary secrets to the application or microservice, the Anjuna Policy Manager, APM, verifies that the cryptographic measurements attesting its code base has not been tampered with. Now let's see how simple it is in practice. In this demo, we will, first, build a confidential container from an existing application with no code changes at all. Then, we'll configure the app to attest its identity to a key management system, enhancing the security. Finally, we'll seamlessly retrieve secrets for the application without changing the application itself. We'll start by taking a Python application server that accepts statements using the Stripe API and run it using an Anjuna Confidential container. First, we'll build a regular Docker image. Once we have the Docker image, we'll use the Anjuna CLI to convert that container into a disk image required to run on the Google Cloud. This process generates the necessary measurements for attestation at build time, ensuring the system hasn't been tampered with when running it. Now to work, the container requires the Stripe API key. We will configure it to use remote attestation with the computed measurement to securely retrieve the key from the Anjuna Policy Manager, replacing the traditionally vulnerable token needed for key access. Using the Anjuna Policy Manager client will ensure that only this application is authorized to fetch the key. Setting it up is that easy and takes only about 30 seconds. Now, on to the second step, actually running the application. First, we'll upload the disk image to Google Cloud to use it for starting a new instance. Then we'll start a new confidential VM. Our application server is now running as an Anjuna Confidential container, isolated from potential malware and insiders. We can obtain its IP address and use curl to see that it's up, running, and healthy. From the instance logs, we can see that the server performed remote attestation with the Anjuna Policy Manager, successfully fetching the Stripe API key and adding it as an environment variable. Since the Anjuna Policy Manager is also running inside an Anjuna Confidential container, we can inspect the logs to confirm the successful key release. Using Anjuna, we were able to quickly deploy our payment application as a confidential container and utilize its hardware-backed AMD SEV attestation document to securely fetch secrets from the Anjuna Policy Manager. In addition to the generally available AMD SEV solution, the Anjuna Confidential container also supports the private preview of AMD SEV with secure nested paging. At Anjuna, we firmly believe that confidential computing should be the foundational fabric of the cloud, fostering secure and reliable operations for organizations of all types. Through our collaboration with the Google Cloud, we are dedicated to delivering solutions that transform security into a business enabler, offering simplified adoption without compromising on protection. We are excited about our new capabilities that enhance our customers' advanced security needs, reduce risks, and support data in-use compliance strategies. Thank you for joining us today.